Hey y'all, welcome back to the garage and the channel in West Texas, where it is a nice 32 degrees out today. But the nice part is, in the garage, 59, 62, 61, and let me show you why. I picked this thing up off of Amazon, and we made ourselves a wood burning stove for the garage and a spot to roast marshmallows. And since we got the handy dandy laser out, 600 degrees, that'll keep it toasty in here. So anyhow, on this stove, it comes with this door. It comes with the adjustable flute up top, and then legs down bottom, and all you need is a 55-gallon drum. It only took, I'm gonna tell you, about an hour and a half to put that together. Okay, the reason that drum, or I should say that wood burning stove, was so fast and easy to put together, it's because of this tool right here. It's a drill nibbler is what it is. Now that comes with your nibbler head right there, and then depending on which side, depending on the thickness of the metal that you're going to be using, here, let me show you how this works. If you watch that tungsten rod, that's your cutting rod, and it reciprocates back and forth.
What the hell did you just say?
Did I just murder that word? Reciprocates. But anyways, screw this handle onto it, like so. One sec. All right. Then just take the end, throw it in your drill, and that's your drill nibbler. And you can cut out sheet metal with this in a matter of seconds. I kind of like it on an impact. And once you really get the hang of it, you can cut out all sorts of shapes, patterns, what have you. If you found the drill cutter to be helpful, be sure to hit that like button. We'll see you later.